Hello everybody, I am the engineer of NEODEN4. We focus on how to make our SMT machines operate more efficiently, assemble more accurately, and use more stably all the time. But today I'm glad to announce to all of you, yes, we have done it. NEODEN4 pick and place machine is our latest and most advanced model till now. NEODEN4 is adopted our independent research and development online dual rails technology. It can not only reach the goal of continuous automatic feeding the boards during the mounting, but also set the feeding position at anywhere in order to reduce the mounting route. Don't you think it's very convenient and intelligent? Someone may ask whether our machine can support 1.2 meters LED strip. Of course, the answer is yes, as we have MarkPoint relocated technology, what is leading in SMT industry, combining with high-definition moving cameras, can finish the mounting for overlong boards easily. NEODEN4 not only can bring convenience via efficient automatic rails, ingenious heads designing, and high-definition CCD moving camera also help to ensure mounting accuracy, which absolutely is beyond your imagination. The mounting head is designed in a suspended, fully symmetric, and high degree of coupling way. Ensure it can mount components with higher space, more gentle, and more efficient. Surprisingly, we design and equip with 4 high-precision nozzles. They can mount at the same time with 360 degrees rotation at -180 to 180. Installed with high-speed industry CCD cameras and work with our patented image distortion processing algorithms, enable cameras can recognize and align different components of 4 nozzles. With the help of upper camera and down-looking camera, they will display the picking process with high-definition image, multiply efficiency, while ensuring accuracy, exactly by combining their functions of above 2 parts precisely. Our NEODEN4 can easily mount high-precision components in the market, such as 0201, SOT23, QFN, BGA, which are difficult for most PNP machines. Meanwhile, because of our unique mechanical structure, NEODEN4 can easily handle odd farm components. However, as far as we know, there are various PCB, different components, and different actual requirements from users. Why not NEODEN4 can do it? NEODEN4 can support 2 different ways for PCB positioning, both seamless mounting via automatic rails and PCB self-positioning mounting. Both tube and tray package ICs can be supported at the same time. It also can be extended a vibrating plate to support bulk components. Moreover, the universal conveyor port can help users achieve automatic production without labors at all to keep the best mounting without bother. Our brand new patented electronic feeders adopt new technique, feeding error corrections, which smooths the feeding and picking. Meanwhile, NEODEN4 has increased the maximum feeders from 27 to 47. This is definitely what you want, I assure. Combined with the newly electronic peel box, they can rival top-end electronic feeder on the market. Wow, what a great combination. Yeah, now you can imagine how greatly the efficiency is improved. NEODEN4 absolutely gives you an unprecedented using experience. As was founded in 2010 in Hangzhou, NEODEN4 own top R&D team, excellent marketing team, and professional after-sales team. Many offices have been opened in Jinan, Suzhou, Wenzhou, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen. Moreover, we have built long-term and solid cooperation with more than 8 overseas agents, such as India, Netherlands, Russia, Brazil, Chile, Korea, Iran, Turkey. More and more overseas agents may build in the future aim at better local service with prompt response. NEODEN4 has owned 2 national invent patents, 7 utility model patents, and 3 design patents. In addition, it has got CE certificate. By adhering to the core value, create value for partners, NEODEN4 has provided services to science research institutions, state key laboratories, colleges, small to large, domestic, and foreign new product test centers, continuous running inspection for 72 hours, mounting test under high working intensity for 36 hours, providing timely after-sales service for 24 hours, ensure best quality and good service all the time.